so. Sweetie, sweetie, sweetie. Oh my sweetie. Baby live boy. No. Good morning everyone. It is a lovely morning and I'm going to show you how we feed the cats. Like every morning, I'm going to feed the cheetahs first. Yeah, let's see if they come and show up for their breakfast. Speedy! Spiky! Ah! Spiky? Good morning, Spiky. Come over here. That's Speedy. Good morning, Sunny. Good morning. Can you have breakfast? Good morning, boy. Come. Come, boy. So, this is Sunny, one of the males, and he's waiting for his breakfast. So let's give it to him. Come, boy. Come, Sunny. Come, Sunny. Sunny! Sunny. No, it's not nice. Get you some food. Nice. Sunny's very good at catching, so. Now we go to the wildcats and I'm going to check on the male Maurice because yesterday he had grass in his nose and his nose was bleeding a bit, so that is a little bit concerning. So let's see how he's doing today. So hopefully he ate last night. Let's check that. Yeah, he ate quite a lot, so that's a very good sign. Very happy with that. So I'm going to take the leftovers here, so that we can weigh the exact amount that he ate last night. He needs at least 200 grams a day, preferably 300, but below that is concerning. But yeah, the way I see it now, he ate perfectly this night, so no need to concern. I'm going to clean this a little bit. You can see it's quite a lot, so yeah, that is the usual portion that he gets. So actually last night he ate very well. Okay, now it's time for the leopards. As you can see, Philippe is already waiting here for me. Beautiful big boy. And the girls are already waiting as well. Mel and Maddie. Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls. Posing nice, Maddie. Beautiful girl. Always such a sweet, calm boy. Waiting for the food. Good morning, Felix. Are you coming? Are you coming? Coming for food? Eh? Come, boy. Come. Felix. Come. Good morning, Felix. There's our hungry boy, Chewy. Hey, Chewy. Very nice, peaceful. bits and bobs. And this is the big one. There you go. Good morning, Pauline. Good morning, girl. You hungry? You hungry? Come. Okay, come. Oh, dear Pauline. Ja, mooi. Dear Pauline. Morning, Mo. So that is the most hungry one. Always wants his food. He's very food-minded. And he's a very big boy. One of the biggest, I think. Sabo and Bahati, they're pretty big as well, but Mo is huge. Such a gorgeous boy. Let me show you a little bit more. Mo. No. No, Mo. No, Mo. Good. Come, let's get you some food. No, Mo. No. Good boy. That's very good. Mo. Baby leg boy. No, 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 Mo. No. 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 The problem with Mo is that he really wants his food, and he's not behaving like we want him to, because he's pulling the wires, and they can break, and it's also very stressful for him. So I will try in the time that I'm here, maybe we can train him a little bit and reward him for good behavior and not for his bad behavior. But that will probably take some time, but hopefully that will work. So here are the other food-minded boys. Mahati. Morning, Mahati. And there's Bo. Need to separate the two so they can eat, otherwise they will fight over the food. We don't want that. Come, boy. Mahati. Mahati. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, I didn't have that on video to swap him, but I managed to get Bahati to that side. But now he has to move a little bit further. Civil. Now I'm going to put the food in his cage. He is not here yet. It's still close to the enclosure, so I'll have the time to put it in just nicely and calmly. don't know why, but for some reason Bahati likes to eat in his feeding cage. Hey boy, come get you some food. And then I'm going to open up for him. Going to open up for you now, Bo. Sweetie. So all the big cats have been fed. So now we're going to do the small cats. Like a caracal Luca and 5 servals. Good morning, Luca. Hey, good morning. Mm-hmm. Good morning. Hey, sweetie, sweetie, sweetie. Oh, my sweetie. Yes, that's a sweetie boy. Looky looks. Luca. Luca. Want it? No? Whee! There it was. Luca likes to play with his food, but morning, Finnick. Let's get you some food. Yeah. Are you hungry? Yeah. Hi, Funzy. Funzy. No, 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 no. Baby! Outfit. You know how it works by now. Finn. Joy. So I hope you enjoyed this morning feeding with me and get a little bit of an idea what I do each morning. And I must say it's a privilege to feed these amazing animals every morning, and I think it is the best time of the day when it's still calm and quiet and peaceful, and just spending time with the animals alone is really wonderful.